Today, I want to take you through a quick review of the MERACH Q1 resistance rowing machine. I've always really enjoyed rowing as an extra source of exercise, but rowing specifically helps you to strengthen your back, your scapular muscles, obviously your legs, really gives you a bit better form, proprioceptive awareness. It's just a really cool additional tool to add to your toolbox of exercises. Another thing that I really love about this MERACH product is that it comes with a fitness app that you can download and literally connect your particular device to. You can store your workouts. You have lots of options between free training, timed practices, and then they have advanced, intermediate, beginner rowing exercise videos that you can actually work out along to. And with the MERACH Q1 rowing machine, it's super easy to put together, and I love how easy it is to store because I don't have a lot of space in my house. So once you're done with your workout, you can just flip it up and move it to the corner of any room in your house for easy storage. And I'm gonna show you how it works. So for today, I'm just gonna go into the app, pick a quick, easy timed workout, 10 minutes. You wanna make sure that your machine is on. You just press that center console button, it turns it on. And here I've already gotten my machine connected to the app and I've picked my workout. I'm gonna start training, click that button, and then begin rowing. You can alter the resistance. Right now I'm at a resistance 1. I want to go up, so I'm just going to turn this knob up to about a 7. You want to push through your feet, so most of the work in your rowing exercise comes through your legs. You want to keep your back nice and strong, and you just bend your elbows to help finish the movement. You can go as fast or as slow as you want. Try not to lock out your knees. As soon as you extend your body backward, just begin to move your body back to forward position. This is a wonderful addition to your home exercise regimen. If you'd like to get your very own MERACH rowing machine, check out the description box below. There's a link to a discount code for you. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you here next time.